Hi guys, Mursese, how are you doing? I hope Muribo Kwezoga Muri all over the world. Welcome to getting to know me. So, nindinaitwa Mal Kwangwa, ndo star langu la kuberekwa. But mimi mnafana kunditi Mal Kwang. Kwang. I know unakwenda kununya to pronounce star langu properly, but it's Mal Kwang. Isn't like I'm Chinese Kwang. Get what I'm saying? Doko hapa futi starudi Mal Kwang World Media. Do started with a company. So yeah, that's my name. Right. So Mal Kwang is a music producer, a filmmaker, an actor, and a dancer when necessary. So toti pawada totsikiswa paka makaisa marapa andinorwa dance rudaro. And I also do film scoring. Film scoring ndo noti sound yemafilm sound yaikutoiswa pahore munotiza munotya munovhunduka ndo masound andogadzira. And mostly ndoitira Nakaitsuro. Shout out to Nakaitsuro. Most of her films ndoita sound scoring yacho maiziya. And she's also my director. She directed me pa Chipo the Gift, Panka Actor Sasaga, that's ZBC production as well. Yeah, so all I can say is I'm a multi-talented guy. So yeah, behind me, Pacha Pisa. I'm also the creator and writer, director of Pacha Pisa. If you didn't watch it, please go watch it. It's on YouTube, Mal Kwang World Media. So music. I started doing music when I was in school. Yeah, that was when I was like 16, 17 years. But kind of boys are in the time who did was music and stuff. Then I fell in love with it. Although my parents are going to church, you know how it is. So maybe no one's going to go. Then I fell in love with Dagatanga as an artist before I became a producer. And speaking about producing music, studio yedu iri in town Corner Face na Jason Moyo Mwarare ngoma mnotwana. So if you wanna book the sessions mnongotilinga DM us to itamadus ajo, you know what I mean. Shout out to Carl, the guy who introduced me to the music. So since that I'm an artist and then became a producer. Then natombo mira kuimba for a while. And then so now ndakuita nchidzoka futhi kuimba ina reasons nongo kutsoma. Zvinhu kangu kutera kubva kutanga zvinongoramba zvinewe. Filmmaking ndakatanga futhi when I was in school. Because taita madrama tisita tiri kudrama club. Tisi vanhu vacho kudrama club. Tisita itoita madrama even kuchurch. I was born in SDA, Seventh-day Adventist. Taitombo ekuto madrama kuchurch ndichitombo ekita ndiri the prodigal son chichi. So yeah, zvangobva from chiri mudiki now it is. Then I grew up into it. Then until ndazokwanisa kutenga macameras angu and stuff. Kutanga kuchishutoji ma films angu nini personally. So besides filming, tinoita futhi even a lot of things because I use an R50, a Canon R50 camera ndo yandoshandisa ndo ndakwanisa kutenga although tine ma aspirations okutenga more dzimwe dziri pamberi. But for now that's what I'm using. Besides doing films, tinoitawo futhi my Aurora shoots, my photo shoots, my wedding shoots and all that. So if you're also interested, go to Boka, you can still do Chilinke, MTM, tutaura madues acho. Moshoot kona ma celebrity. But yeah. Yeah. Kagawanda bro. Kagawandisa. Because you see, when it comes to this art, especially in Zimbabwe, most of the time malos ekeka ngobudza mari and you ain't getting anything in return, like hapana chimbodzoka maoma, you know what I mean. So you end up ngoti amana so zvinizvi ndikumbofire nowadays. But then because ni love ni chino kamboitese chipeso even when I was still young ndichiri kugara na moms, so padino chitokuti ai zvauri kuita zvisiyana nazvo zvinanazo zvinokupa in life nowadays. But we takazongoitwa naro, then we grew up to live the life where they grew up to see it. Ndinonzi kurawo netakuzionera takura. But yeah, at the end, if you keep pursuing what you want, the dreams will definitely come true. Every time ndinofamba neverse from Philippians 4 verse 13 rinoti, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. That's my verse. So nothing is impossible. You can do anything if you get me. I feel like we have a lot of stories to tell. Kuna zvinhu zvazvabuda out there that we need to tell the people out there. In my own ways, most of my films are like based on true stories. So I prefer to tell the stories through film, you know. Let's say you know story yako yofila kuti this needs to get out to the world. You can as well mongobata meze. I don't know nyaya yako nofunga kuti nyaya yako ikatawa ndiri. You know gonna help someone else out there. No one bata total DM then on the center then to ikadra film. Now it is then someone out there on the background nazo. So yeah, that's one thing that keeps me going, you know. And as well push out industryism. I feel like our industry still chiutazirwa basa. So yeah, tikawanda ma-creators tiramba chigadzira quality stuff zvinoita kuti tirambe tibatsirikana so that industry iende kumberi. But I still feel like chiri kutotanga because you see World Media, the company, I formed it like 2025 in February. Ndopa ndikafunga of the idea, so ndopa ndakatanga kutoshoot our first film. So I feel like people vachaona zvakawanda kubva kwatiri because more films will be dropping, more music, more stories will be told. So this is just the beginning. So yeah, watch out, watch this space. Remember to support us, keep following us, follow us, subscribe, like, comment. So yeah, if you like, you have more questions about the phone, guys, just type them in the comment section and I'll definitely do another video and need you pin my questions in your name. So thank you for supporting us again. Remember to support us, please. Those not to pay Simba, remember to chienda. Even as namari, don't dare to kutsvaga. But mimi take on comments enyu, my likes enyu, my love enyu. To Simba, tramba chukadzira mahits ema movie. And as well as music and everything else. So yeah, from Marvin, Mal Kwang, to Nana.